Hello everyone, today's video is about a service call that I had the other day, and it was the customer called in saying that the furnace was vibrating too much. So in this video I show you what I found and how I went about fixing this vibration problem. It's old Premier style furnace in the attic, and hope you guys enjoy it. So here is your typical furnace in California installed in the attic. And right now I'm going to show you where the filter goes, because I know a lot of my customers, they think it goes only on the grill, on the return grill. But right here you can see that cover, the filter cover, it slides down so that you can replace the filter inside of it. So if you see this on your furnace, that's where your filter is. A lot of my customers they're not aware that there's a filter in there, and they never replace it, and they remove the cover from the return grill and install it there instead. Meanwhile, this one over here is getting more and more dirty over time. Before you know it, you have a furnace that's overheating and is struggling. Right here, I was just showing you that their typical installation here has no duct sealer. They're very easy to disassemble. So when it comes to demo time, that's a good thing, I guess. So right here, I'm going to show you where the panels are that I removed from the side of the furnace, which will expose the blower motor. You can just see the little knob right there. There's also two screws holding it. There's one in the front of the furnace. There's the other one. So that's how I'm going to gain access into the blower compartment. I'm going to see what is vibrating. But first, I have to remove the return plenum because it's going to be in the way in case, well, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have to remove the blower motor. So I was trying to show you in the video that the evaporator coil, once I removed the blower motor housing, I was able to see the evaporator coil was, it's pretty dirty, it's pretty clogged up. But yeah, you can't see it with the GoPro. So I had to take a picture of it, and I'll show you the picture. So here you can see how clogged that evaporator coil is. But the good news is that the customer decided to go with the coil cleaning. So I'll be back there to clean the coil. It's right there. You see where the transition is. I'm going to have to disconnect that. But before I do, I need to support that evaporator coil. It's a slab type coil, so that I can gain access to it and clean it. And then now you can see how filthy that blower motor is. So I'm gonna pull the motor out of the blower wheel and clean it all up. And here I'm just trying to show you how thick and caked on that dirt is to the blower wheel. And then I'll show you a different angle right here. You can see how thick it is. See that? That's what's gonna throw the wheel off balance and make the whole thing wobble as well. Plus, this motor was replaced by somebody else, so they might have also left something loose. When I put it back in there, one of the nuts felt like it might have been a little bit loose too. So everything all together just adds up to a wobbler. good as new. No debris stuck to any one of those blades, everything all brushed and vacuumed. You can see the housing right here. I brushed and vacuumed that. Then the blower compartment itself right here, the same thing, all brushed and vacuumed. So here you go, everything is all reinstalled. Put the blower wheel back in there, tightened everything all up. Getting ready to put the side covers on from the furnace. Just almost forgot to wipe those down, but as you can see, I'm taking care of that right now. So here you go, everything is put back just the way that it was. Like I said, we're going to be back here to clean the evaporator coil, but for now everything is clean, at least on the blower side. Now the moment of truth has arrived. Now I have to test the system, so I'm gonna turn on the fan, and I'm turning the volume all the way up on this video so you can hear it. No more vibration. The problem was vibration. So I pulled the blower out, disassembled it all, cleaned it. It was clearly very filthy. And that's all it was. So now I just turned it on. Not even moving.